today when I come here, I'm thinking that, okay, how should I present the tour to you today to make you feel that, okay, it's impressive? Because in terms of working experience, maybe you guys are much higher than me. Maybe in terms of data science research or those, maybe you guys are also much better than me. But today I'm going to present something that is simple. It's easy to use, but it has the capability of doing all kinds of analysis. So here is the agenda for my presentation today. Firstly, I'm going to go through the highlight of the features for the BellaDati BI. Then I'm going to show you how to create your first report within 5 minutes from input data to create your dashboard and tables. And then I'm going to show you a sample analysis for travel search industry to tell you, okay, what are the KPIs that this particular industry is looking at and how should we present it into tables, charts, and dashboards. Lastly, the most exciting part, I'm going to show you how to do sentiment analysis in MongoDB to analyze tweeters for a brand card. And lastly, I will go for the Q&A. So, there are 3 things that are the highlight for BellaDati Business Intelligence. The firstly is Agile Analytics. Everybody is talking about Agile today, but BellaDati have the mission to empower all users to become data analysts because it's easy to use. You just need a web browser and you can start to use it. It's very simple and you don't need very complex installation. All the formulas are there, it's very easy to use. And then it's on the web and it's also on the mobile. Talking about all of enterprise BI, I mean that if you have experience using that, okay, firstly you need to install the server and then you need to install the client. And sometimes if you need to publish or share to somebody else, it's very complex. But for BellaDati, whatever you need is a web browser or smartphone. We support both Android and iOS, all devices. Okay, and lastly is cloud. Cloud is also another buzzword for today. And for BellaDati, it is in the cloud. And of course, we are also on-premise. For on-premise, I've mentioned something that, okay, most of the tools that when they're on-premise, they only support Windows. But for BellaDati, Mac, you can host your BI tool on Mac locally. So for those people who only use Mac who does not care about Windows, now you can start to use it and install it on your own computer. Okay, these are the data discovery process for BellaDati. Basically, we have 3 layers for you. The first layer is the data warehouse, and then we have the reports, and then we have the dashboards. The data warehouse basically is where you place all your data inside. You can join your data there, you can put multiple data sources there, you can do data mapping there, everything, all the data are stored in the data warehouse. And then on top of the data warehouse, you can create your reports using a few formulas or using drag the indicators into the tables, and you will be able to see your reports. And on top of the reports, we have a collaboration layer which enables you to share your reports, to make comments on your reports, to publish your reports to some public portal or to the dashboards. And so this is the publishing workflow from datasets, and on top of